I want to create a few pieces to post on the Facebook Marketplace and see if I can make some extra money. I do, want to have like extra pieces. I'm trying to create some pieces so I can get rid of what I have and, because otherwise the shop is going to be wild messy. I already cut all the pieces. I use my track saw and I cut all the pieces. Let me show you. Of one piece, this whole piece, that's going to be another piece, and then one is going to be another piece. And
like a creep, so hungover I couldn't speak. I met the group last night and he shook my hand in the end and said, "You ain't got me losing you. What you gonna do about it?" I'm gonna hit that bottle. It's on a Donkey Kong. Next week he asked, which troubles do you seek? A pure heart is the root of all weak. I bowed my head and hid my eyes, but he shook me out of my disguise and said, "You ain't gonna lose me. What you gonna do about it?" I'm gonna hit the bottle. It's on a Donkey Kong.
hello, I am ready. This means all this stuff means that it's sanding day, and I add mud into the pieces, and I kind of clean a little bit the garage. Well, that was like 3 days ago, I think. I was able to sew throughout the weekend. I was able to sew my outfit for 4th of July to spend time with my family, and looked so good. I think my skills in sewing is just growing, and I feel so happy. Of course, a lot still have to, I have to learn so many things still. But anyway, so today my goal is to finish the piece by tomorrow. So I'm gonna sand the last sand on those pieces, and then I'm gonna start painting. And then while the coats of paint is drying, because actually I'm gonna roll, my sprayer broke, So I'm gonna roll everything. It's gonna take forever.
2,000 years later.
Whew, guys are so hot today. Look at me. Oh my goodness. And I want to give an update about my garage. And hopefully I'm trying to get things done fast because I only have a month before I go back to school and I have to slow down the projects here. I put the plywood in the corner. And then I didn't want to remove my TV, so I put that thing here so I can put like smaller boards so that, you know, that can only have like long things. So the small ones I put here, and I have the shelf over there that I also add more stuff. And eventually my goal is to not have that shelf, so to clear the garage. It seems like it's not straight level, which it's not, but I mean, the rack, it's level. It's just this stuff here, it's not perfectly aligned. This one is like lower than that one, so makes the boards unlevel. I don't know if you can see, this one's like seating, this one's not, you see? So looks like it's not level, but it is. Anyway, so now I actually painted my little cart white, green. That's the color green. And I'm laying with scraps, and I'm gonna paint too, just to look a little bit cuter. And I'm going to place this right underneath this. Here I'm going to pretty much take everything out, and I'm only going to keep like the hardwoods too, because I just want to keep the pretty things. Like people that use the best materials to build the shop, I think it's cool. But I would not do that, especially because I'm very messy and I'm very messy. I mean, I'm not messy. I like organization, but when I am creating, I do messes, like when I'm painting. And the reason is because I don't like to prep. Okay, I just painted. Now we let it dry and we fill up. My idea for this wall is I'm not going to put any tools in this wall. I'm going to be just like this, open, because what I'm going to do is I have those pieces that I finish over there. And I think I'm going to use this wall to put like my logo and to also like display the pieces that is for sale, or, you know, like use as a background. Let's see if I can get this shop a little bit more organized, because, guys, that is a mess. Let me start moving, organizing.